moment of truth. Like, I lost that little bolt for the other one, so. Never putting a Duralast part on any of my rigs ever again. Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a little while. Back at you with another video today on the F350. Here's a new look at it. I'm gonna be replacing the glow plug relay. Could be one of your culprits if it's having a hard time starting in the cold. Old one. One way to test if this is the issue. Let me see. You can get a pair of pliers, touch these two together, leave it on there for like 10 seconds, and then take it away. And if your truck starts up, then you know it's your culprit. But yeah, mine's kind of having trouble starting up in the cold. Doesn't like to. So yeah, we are gonna replace that. We got ourselves a Motorcraft new genuine OEM relay here. So got my tools and everything. So yeah, let's see how it goes. In between now and then, I put some cool stuff on this truck. Like did a full front end with a BDS stabilizer on there. Got this front bumper on here, as well as the new grille. Got these headlights and these wheels with the worn hubs. So yeah, it's been a little bit, but yeah. One of the reasons I'm replacing this in the first place is because when I first did it, I got the Duralast one. Just had to buy a bunch of parts, wanted to be cheap with it, but this is what you get. Do it right or do it twice. So we're gonna be going with Motorcraft from now on. All right, next we're gonna need to remove both battery cables to prevent frying of oneself. Oh. And then yeah, just start by removing these bolts, and then yeah. All right, I like to have one of these little magnetic holders here for, you know, just convenience. Next, we got those two. I believe they were 12 mils off. Just use this guy right here. Got them off super quick. Yeah, that's 12 right there. Next up, it would be to take these two small ones out. Let me focus in on there for you. Those two little connectors. So yeah, we're gonna take these out. I believe this is an 8 mil. So yeah, there's a little washer that goes on top of here as well. Yeah, it looks like I lost that little bolt for the other one. So in the washer. Sick. All right. So thankfully fished out that other bolt, well, nut. It was just in a deep crevice down there. Do not do what I did, because the new one does not come with any. So yeah, don't do that. Let's get the final two bolts out and then get the new one in. Next, you're gonna need a 10 mil to take off these and these bolts. So yeah, you can see, let me get a better view for you. It's that bolt right there and this one right here. All right, now that we got these two bolts out, we're just gonna go ahead and lift this one up right here. All right, we can set it aside right here for now. Then we got this new one coming in. Should line up in just like this. These are two studs, so they're gonna stay in there. There's not a bolt underneath, so you should be good. All right, let's go ahead and bolt that boy back in. Next up is gonna be these two small little 8 mils right here. Do not lose them if you wanna save yourself a trips to the parts counter. So yeah, let me get this done. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and park her, test how she fires up cold tomorrow morning. But yeah, before it would it would have a really hard time starting up in the cold. I would need to like have it plugged in. But yeah, this is the old one. Never putting a Duralast part on any of my rigs ever again. It was a mistake in the first place. But yeah, now we got the OEM. You can still get these at the Ford dealer, which is pretty cool. Here is this if you want to take a picture of that. But yeah, that's it. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. Let me show you something cool that I got that may or may not be in the next video. Let me know if you want some more videos on this thing. Alright, it is the next morning. You can see super cold. Haven't plugged her in. Let's just give it a see if she starts up for the first time. She hasn't done this in a very long time. So we're gonna let the wait to start button go. I mean, light cycle. Alright, moment of truth. Hey, that's actually hype. Wow. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.